I've had teeth pain since I was like 16, and I had to watch what I eat. My teeth were horrible. Every year I was going back and having to get some tooth redone, and then it seemed like within a couple more years after that, the same tooth would have the same problem. So it was just a nonstop pain. I had went to a bunch of dentists getting estimates for what I wanted, and none of them wanted to give me what I wanted, and I was ready to give up. And my girlfriend was on Facebook and seen him and seen all his advertisements for all the implant procedures he does, and I made an appointment. And I told him what I wanted. He didn't try to talk me out of what I wanted. He made sure that he could do the procedure, and he said, "Yeah, I'll do it." I would like go out of my way to avoid having a conversation with people because I was embarrassed about how I looked, and now I'm like, I'll start a conversation with anyone.